Hello, beautiful people. So, hot on the heels of part 11 is part 12, because I realised before we go into the aspects, I need to talk to you about the nodes. So, the nodes are represented by these sort of glyphs that look like horseshoes, like that. You want to take a screenshot. Now, generally in a chart, we only see the glyph for the north node, which is the horseshoe that goes that way. But the south node is always in exactly the opposite position. They form an axis. And I was taught that it's really relevant where they are in the chart, but that's quite dependent on birth time. But they always fall in a sign as well. And they take about 19 years to go through the entire zodiac. The ancients really knew about the nodes as well. What they are is where the path of the sun crosses the path of the moon. And I'm not going to go into detail because, it's a science. It's a precise astronomical science, and I don't really know it myself. But they are extremely important in chart interpretation, because they're like a signpost. They're directing us in the way that we need to go. And some people interpret this as a spiritual direction, and some people don't. Honestly, astrologers use nodes in quite different ways, but I think underlying all that, there is an energetic similarity in the way that we understand the nodes. In Indian astrology, in Vedic astrology, they're really important. And some people base their whole astrology on the nodes. They don't actually do anything else. So the north node is sort of like where we're going, and the south node is where we're coming from. And sometimes that can be interpreted as what we've brought in with us in this lifetime, what skills we've brought in with us, or it can just be to do with our early life and what it was that we were learning in our early life, and where we're taking that now during our life journey. So just wanted to point those out because you'll see them in charts and you'll be wondering what they are, because they're not planets, they're just points in the heavens. Okay, and they are involved in aspects as well, so they'll come up in the future. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.